Irongate Armory Academy presents a DIY tutorial of dyeing eggs like they did in the olden days. Let's start by slicing some red cabbage. The red cabbage was mentioned for the first time during the Renaissance period, but it had probably been used even before that. Then, some onions. Except, today we are going to use only the peels, so storage the peeled onion for later use in food. You can use the peels off yellow onions as well as the red onions. Onion was brought from Asia to Europe by the Greeks around 1000 BC. Lastly, we are going to cut some turmeric. When you work with turmeric, remember to use stain-proof cutting board and gloves to protect your fingers from staining yellow. I'm using a fresh turmeric, but you can use 1 to 2 tablespoons of powdered turmeric instead. Turmeric was a major spice during medieval times. It was used as a replacement for saffron. Next, we will cook the ingredients. Pour half a liter of water into a kettle. Then, add half of a tablespoon of vinegar to the water. Wait until the water is boiling. Use magic to hasten the process. After the water is boiling, you can add an ingredient into it. The safest option is to add 1 ingredient per color. Mix, 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 then let boil on a low level for 30 minutes. Repeat the same thing with turmeric and onions. Once the soup has boiled for 30 minutes, filter the bits of ingredients out of the colored base. Now, you should have about 4 to 5 bases ready. You can experiment by adding some baking soda to the red cabbage color base. It should turn the base into bluish hue. Add already boiled eggs into the mixtures and let them stay at least few hours, preferably overnight. I waited overnight for the eggs to pick up color. The next day, it was time for the reveal. Rinse the excess color off with cold water, and then dry the eggs. Here are the final results.